everyone, welcome back to our YouTube. Why don't you make the intros actually? When I'm here, she don't make intros.
Because you're the star of the show. Okay, hi guys. So today we are going to make banana nut bread.
Yeah, banana nut bread. Have I had it one day? Have I had
A long time ago, but you did. Okay, so what do we need? Go over the ingredients.
We need 3 ripped bananas.
Right, 3 ripe bananas.
Oh, right. Sorry.
Which we have here. These are very
1
ripe.
stick of butter.
3/4 cup.
3/4 cups of sugar. 2 large eggs.
1.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
Yeah. 1
teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
1 cup of
walnuts.
And
half a
cup of raisins. I don't like raisins.
Well,
But
it
we're
tastes good with raisins, okay? So,
For your opinion.
for my opinion. Alright, so let's
Get started. Jinx, you owe me a soda now. Record? Okay, we gotta peel the bananas. Oh, that one just broke. I remember back then, I would eat bananas a lot until I saw someone microscope a strawberry and I realized that might be the same way as a banana. I don't think that. Okay, it will. I regret life. Oh my. Don't mind the Barto in the background. My sister and father are watching Barto like weebs they are. Right, Mom? She finally did something for once. Now she's not gonna be overrated. Yeah, soccer is overrated. Don't mind my.
mixing the bananas.
Yeah, we're actually mashing them with a fork.
Smashing.
Smash, and okay. There we go. So we're gonna set this aside. Just throw it away, and we're gonna put the sugar in the butter. We need the fork, probably.
No, you gotta mix it with
Well, here's my thing, and the bananas and the eggs. Do I put the bananas in first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're putting in the bananas in first. Here's one story that's funny with bananas in it. So, my brother, he has a monkey, a toy monkey, and one day when we were in our apartments back then, when we used to live in an apartment, you might see our old videos from really back then if you're an original. So he, let's just say, he started running and shouting like a monkey and grabbed a banana and ran back to my parents' room. And I started laughing, saying, Jenner's becoming a monkey. Boo Boo's taught him so well. Because he has a toy monkey named Boo Boo. So yeah. Well. I didn't see that coming. It's time to mix. We're gonna add the flour and the baking soda. Oh, that was a really good one.
flour, baking soda, and salt are going in.
Yeah, oh my gosh, it's stuck. How does flour get stuck? I would know. I would understand if it's powdered sugar, but it's powder, flour. And now, time to mix this on. Be prepared, y'all. I may never come. Okay, we need a spoon. Give me the spoon. Okay, never mind. Hold
Do
up.
that first.
Yeah. Now we're gonna put put the raisins and the almonds and
Walnuts.
same thing. Okay. There's some in here. I don't want the bowl to get dirty. It's already dirty enough. Okay, now we're mixing it.
Mix it.
I feel like a spoon's better than a mixer because then probably the walnuts and the raisins would start going everywhere. So yeah, we'll see you when I finish mixing these. Just keep mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing. I don't know what I'm saying now. I felt her. My door. Say preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Cause yeah, cause if you don't do that, it's not gonna work.
All right.
She's putting the flour in.
Powder.
There's basically the same thing,
Okay,
Mom.
all right, just a bit, and then we're gonna move it around.
Yeah.
This is so it won't get stuck to the pan.
Yeah, just like in those baking videos. Putting it in. Oh no, you're dropping. We're dying. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness gracious, girl.
I'm sorry, Mother.
Okay, get it closer to the pan.
Okay, so now I'm gonna throw the egg shells and the banana peels in the compost bin. Go. Oh, this one here. Kind of chilly out here.
It is chilly.
Yeah. Oh, dang it, I can't see my throat. I mean, it's not that chilly.
All right.
This is our compost bin. You can see that we have apple slices, cardboard, all that stuff. So it can just like decompose, because if we throw it in the garbage can, so when we go, there's actually smoke, it's really cold. So when the garbage man, let's just say we throw them in the garbage can, and the garbage man puts it in his truck. He's just gonna throw all this stuff away that we can probably use for, or we can just wait it here so they can decompose because
We can use it for our plants.